Hello guys, welcome to Chat Jamaican. You know that I am your lady Tania. Thank you for always coming back to watching my channel, Chat Jamaican with Tania. Today we are continuing with the painting of Caveman house. We are also happy that the house is near completion. Stay tuned for Caveman updates until the house is completed. Let's start over the side.
Yeah man, because me love chat Jamaican. Me raise a bar like no other nation. This are the time for we all get wiser. Jamaica to the world, make we start work harder. We arise, we are pray in a this lovely place. Get rid of bad mind and learn we lesson. Lady Tania, queen of YouTube. Everything me do in the end it gets better. Yeah, it'll go better. Yeah, chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania.
So you say, put the brush up and down and not sideways?
Yeah. Yeah, when you can't so the guy sideways, so you probably make it buff up.
No, but when we need to spot me up, put it.
You don't put enough paint for it. You have too much paint. See, too much paint in that brush.
How do you not look like?
No, Tania, the paint this up. Paint the posting.
Oh, do the posting?
Yeah, I'll leave it.
Okay. Maybe I need to paint the top of the posting. I'm going to do the bottom. So that's only carry the top. The only I need the top, now you do it here.
Oh.
Yeah, then I'm going to do the top of the posting.
Oh, I'm ready.
Yeah, right. That's only I leave this.
Yeah.
So you just finish it. When you place paint.
Right.
I don't want to catch this man. We probably be able to catch on the mistake. I'm going to take your body. I can't catch you for straight cat. Carry the for me.
Yeah. I want to
I just become the other like full time. I said, no, I don't take care of you. Go put him right on the skirt. Lift up your knee. So that I can drop the fence. Come. We have never given no milk. We give him this money, but he don't want milk because he wants food. So we're going to get some cat food.
Yeah, don't get the post in the back. Alright. Yeah. I'll take that back into the
I have to roll.
The paintbrush. Don't touch up.
Yeah, man.
But the painting.
Well, we are doing a little painting here for Caveman. You see, we are on the finishing touch now. So Auntie Tania is supposed to be glad and feel much more release now. Because whenever time you start to paint a house, you know that it complete. So we are here now. We finish inside. If you can notice, if Auntie Tania should put the video, the whole of inside finished paint now. So I'm going to step outside and to touch up the whole of the outside. But at this blessed moment, the rain is falling. So we now go outside now because we don't want to, whenever time we put on the paint outside, then the water wash it off. We don't want nothing like that. So if we don't start outside for today, then tomorrow morning we come back and we complete outside. So Caveman, I think as from next week now, Auntie Tania can hand over this house to Caveman.
Because it's finished.
Yeah, it's finished now. So with all the bashing and crashing and all the news that going around
and they mix up
and the whole heap of mix up and blend that thing, I think it's over now because the house is finished now. It's only for Caveman to get all his furniture now
come in for moving.
I think the furniture then ready now. It's just for them to come inside. So Caveman can live now. So people all over the world that hoping and trust to see this thing come to an end, it have come to an end now. So make we give God the glory because here in life, nothing done before the time. Time is the master of all things. And let me tell you something in life, there are a lot of us that don't have no patience whatsoever. And patience is the key for everything. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, make we give God thanks and praise because it have come
to an end
where it's supposed to come now. So we give God the glory. And make we say, hail to Jesus Christ, our Lord. Yeah, because you are here. Yeah, Auntie Tania, you see Caveman supposed to give you a lot of praise, you know, because if it wasn't for Caveman, then this thing, he would have lived same place over there in that cave until he died. So in all this fight what people are saying about you see, it have come to an end.
Yes.
Yeah, so we give God the glory, we give thanks for this. We give the thanks and we have to big you up.
Yes.
We have to big you up. And with my MP behind this with you, doing a lot of work here. Because it's my MP, I am here. Yeah, and I hear a lot of people passing a lot of remarks. But we don't really listen to remarks. You see, we just put remote where we think is. Yeah, so we could give the glory. Thank you.
Alright, bye-bye. Yes. It look thicky.
Yeah man, it's thick man.
So I want the more thinner? Wow, it's thick.
So you realize that that's why I couldn't
Eh.
long time.
So you gotta throw more thinner in there?
Yeah man, more thin everything.
The thinner look bad with the brown. What a pretty something. I forgot mix it some more.
Throw some more thinner.
Alright, throw in there and make me mix it.
The thinner carry come from me. That's how you would prefer me.
Alright, up here, so you have to put the bucket in. I mean, I mix nothing in the sun.
You see, you're not even want to lick a boy for your son.
You know, say sun hot. No man, you can't bear them the heat there. So the amount can do the house?
No most then Tanya if the 5 gallon there.
Do on the inside.
In the inside why you can't do this a 5 gallon can do outside.
So you never know little bottle?
Yeah, little bottle you mad.
Yeah, that him tell me said that not that him tell me said that not even I go do.
Yeah. David. Maybe that's the right thing.
You see it, you know? But it's still thick. So look like it paint just thick naturally.
That's what it is, that's what it is.
You want more? Oh, guess what? A high sheen. A high sheen, so if they have to make it thick so that it can show. And that's why people them not send the money, because they must have waste of material and house so big and this, that, and pay for it.
It's a nice spacious house and the man deserves that. Anyway.
Send the money?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's a nice spacious house, Mr. Silly. I like it, and that's what the man must get.
It look alright. Because the paint just stiff and through, I use a brush. Stiff paint. The roller just do one something, go straight up and done. Yeah, changing life. I must pray it over there, prayer say hope better come. You know, so sometimes when you pray, like you say one day better must come. Yes, he have no faith. Yeah, but he still have faith. He still have faith because maybe I look at it and I say, well, something gonna, you know, some miracle happen in night when we can't do the cave there. Some miracle happen. And he always have something for you. Yes. You don't realize? Always. He man always have something for you. Rain coming up. The rain over that side. Box cover, because the rain crawl. Yes, you're reaching at the piece. It'll come right up. It's so reach, so. Yeah. Well, the next 1 minute, you're so full of rain. Yeah. Yeah. Rain come, Deacon. I have to go top. That comes so. May I come out of it? All the best, men. Deacon still in the rain painting. Deacon, you're not tired?
Not yet. When the paint done, you tired.
Oh, you guys have finish off that.
So they can for the beggy man brought the pipe them tomorrow? Bend them?
And carry them? I know half-inch pipe.
You say a 20.
Stiff.
To go over Caveman.
And the rain fall now. Can't go mud up.
You know when live where you would have go up there?
What do you mean if I know it?
Oh.
You know it's it, Tania. What do you mean if I know it, Caveman live?
No, so me alright.
Thank you guys for watching the painting update on Caveman House. He is indeed blessed and highly favored. Thanks for watching Chat Jamaican. Little more. Bye.
Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. When me walk through the valley of